I'm on. The one you drive, dog. I got pressure on my head, but I'm making bread. Y'all ready for it? Might fuck my iPhone up for this too, so shit. There you go. I did not see this.
You hit that fucking chunk of dirt and went for a ride, didn't you?
Sure did.
Did you hit something?
Yeah.
That's alright, we're gonna go load up.
Oh gosh.
Hey, money? We rich? Food stamps, woohoo! Oop, chump change. Food stamps are probably empty too. That's a fairly new car. It's like, see what name is. David Freeland. Well, David.
Yeah, let's keep those. Might be able to feed ourselves.
Somebody had a piece of paper back there too, because that paper was rubbing off. You get this residue off the strip, see? Oh no, you do food.
Oh yeah.
Let's go down and load the mowers up. We gotta go back to the shop I built. Yeah, that'll fucking split you open a little. That'll poke shit at you.
Yeah.
You just looking for something? See if you hit. Huh?
This is on power.
Something fell out?
Yeah.
Like what? Electronic?
Yeah.
You ain't gonna find it.
I ain't.
Take your piece of shit. But if you did run something over, it's going to be on this side because this is where it's going to shoot it out at. Say if it ran it over and actually spit it out, you know.
I don't know if feel like, cause you know, like the way it feels.
Did it just make a noise it sounded like?
Yeah.
Or the way the mower bounced around it sounded like something fell?
When
Say, because those plates that cover our belts, they bounce around on that.
It like fell through. Oh God.
Turn your feet in angles. Try to dig your sides of your heels in.
I want to grab the plants, but
what? I don't know, he thinks he saw something come off the mower. Look at this. You realize what that's for?
Spring?
The deck springs. The ones that run along the side.
Oh.
Remember I said something about the three little chains that are dangling on that one?
Yeah.
This is supposed to be hooked to them. And it's been like that all day. That was not me. It was not us, I should say, because
What are you guys doing?
he thinks he saw something come off the motor like it was an electronic piece or whatever, but we did find a wallet with a food stamp card.
Anything else in
A
there?
little bit of chump change.
What's the name on the card?
David Freeland. You're funny as hell to come find out it was somebody that worked for Rick Gloves.
Yeah.
Have to leave your world.
told
It
you.
was your phone?
Yeah.
Oh,